Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can use secure copy tool. So secure copy is again very popular tool in the industry that can help you perform copying of files using a secure protocol, that is SSH. In last few videos, we talked about SSH and we saw how SSH can help you take the access of the shell using secure method of encryption. But in this video, we are going to talk about another thing that can help you to copy files and share files between one machine to another machine, out of which one machine must be a server. So let me explain the scenario to you. This is the machine and this is another machine. Let's consider it as our SSH server and let's consider this as our client. So if we are starting from the client and we are sending a request to the server, then what this particular thing is called as, it's called as basically a request that we are sending. And now let's say over here the SSH service is running and I have a file that I want to share from the client machine to the server. So I can share it using the secure protocol of SSH using this tool called as secure copy. Also, if you have a file on the server and you want to download that file on your client machine, then also you can do that with the help of the same tool or with the help of same configuration or tool called as secure copy.
If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.